Hi guys, welcome to Living Food Wise. I'm Janine and I'll be bringing today's recipe for you of turkey San Choy Bow. Now San Choy Bow is an Asian dish. It's usually made with pork and it's a beautiful mix of fragrant mince served in a lettuce cup that you eat with your hand, and it is delicious. And we are making it with turkey, but the rest is all fairly traditional. And it just means that it's nice and low fat and it's a cleaner meat, and why not? So let's get cooking. If you are new to our channel, welcome. This is your opportunity to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you're returning, glad to see you around. Now, the hardest thing about this recipe, seriously, is separating the lettuce leaves so that you can have something to serve it in. But I will show you a little trick that we have later on, so stick around for that. First thing we want to do is get a nice big pan that we're going to cook. Now you could do this in a wok for sure, absolutely. I'm sure mostly it is done in a wok, but I'm not doing it in a wok. I'm doing it in my beautiful Neo Flam pan, which I love. Going to get the heat on nice and high. All right, and I am going to be using, what oil am I using? I'm using avocado oil for this. But you could use any veggie oil. Probably not olive oil, it's not quite the right flavour. And as with any meat, first thing you want to do is just get your meat browned off. So I've got a little bit of garlic that I'm going to throw in first. Let that come up to a gentle fry. Probably should have waited for that to heat up a little, but I'm being a bit impatient. Going to wait a minute now. And we're back and our garlic's sizzling now. And got my red onions, going to throw them in. Now we don't want to brown the onions, we're just sweating them off. If you've not heard that term before, sweating it off means that you're softening your onions. They become a little bit translucent. You're cooking them without caramelizing them. That is sweating. It's a funny term. Now I have 500 grams of turkey mince, which I bought from my supermarket. So I'm just going to break that up a little bit before I throw it in. If you've never had turkey mince before, it's a wonderful mince in that, yes, it's low fat, but it's not too strong a flavour, so it picks up the flavours that you're adding to it very easily, which is great. All right, now do not throw your mince in and walk away. What you'll end up with is a big block of mince, and it will be kind of flavourless and sort of almost a bit boiled tasting. You want to work it into the oil, breaking up the pieces, allowing the onion and the oil to coat the mince strands. That's really important. Once you've broken it up, then you can start tossing it around. And the heat at this point should be quite high. Otherwise, your meat will boil rather than fry. Now I want to show you guys how when you fry lamb mince, or any mince actually, it happens with most mince, you can see the water from the mince is starting to release, okay? You will be ready to move on to the next bit when you don't see that water anymore. You want to fry it until that is evaporated and it's starting to sizzle again from the oil, which might take a few minutes. And we will come back when all our water's gone. And here we are, all done, and we can start adding everything else. So What have we got? We've got some chili, and you can add chili to taste. I've got a fairly mild long red chili. It's not too strong. This is a wonderful inclusion. Water chestnuts, finely diced, give it a beautiful crunch. Very important, that one. We have some green beans that we have sliced very finely, and that's just your basic French green beans. We also have some spring onions that we very finely sliced. And now, importantly, our sauces. Now, sesame oil, a little splash of that, it's for flavour. It's about half a teaspoon, you don't want to go too hard. Some gluten-free soy sauce. And then some gluten-free oyster sauce. Now I've got to say I love this BAu brand. They have so many sauces that are gluten-free. Fantastic. Give that a good stir through. I want to cook that off for another minute or so until the beans have softened a little. Smells good. That is ready to go, cooked beautifully. Now, before we take that off the heat, I have got some fresh coriander or cilantro that I'm going to stir that through. Now, you wouldn't put this in earlier because you want to capture the vibrant freshness of that coriander. If you threw it in sooner, you would cook it and it would wilt and you'd lose all that beautiful flavour. So only at the end. Great. Let's prepare our lettuce, and this is the great tip that I have for you. I'm going to clean up. To serve our turkey San Choy Bow, we need some lettuce cups, and these are always a little bit challenging to pull apart. If you were to try and just go in without getting rid of that core first, they will often tear. So let me show you a little trick to get the core out. This is a little bit violent, so I apologize in advance. You're going to get your lettuce, Iceberg lettuce, and you're going to hit that core against your bench quite hard. And then what that does is it releases the center core, just like that. That was actually really easy. It's not always that easy. Sometimes you have to do it 2 or 3 times. So that was awesome for the film. And then from here, because we've released that center core, you can tease out the cups, the lettuce leaves, I should say, very, very gently. It is an art. It's hard to get it out. I'm sure there we go. There we go, that's the one. That is way too big, but anyway. Keep the big ones for your salads and wait till you get the little ones. So just gently tease it away from the main body, and there you go. All right guys, you've seen how to make the lettuce, now let's assemble it. Now you could, to serve this, you could just put the whole thing in the middle of the table with some lettuce cups. People love assembling their own dinners, but you can also equally serve them pre-assembled, just like that, on a plate, all ready for people to grab and enjoy. Now this is a great entree, but it also is wonderful to have as a main. And you can mix up the meats. You can do turkey, as you know, you can do chicken, you can do lamb, you can do beef, you can do pork, you can do any of it. You can even do sausage. smells delicious. And that is our turkey San Choy Bow, ready to be served for dinner. Hope you've enjoyed that recipe. I know I've enjoyed making it. Love to hear from you. Please comment, like, share, and tell us what else you want to see. Turkey San Choy Bow. Yum. See you next time, guys. Bye. Made with turkey. Let's do that again. Yum. I'm going to do that again. That was silly.